Hi guys, welcome to our kitchen. Today we're gonna share with you how to make delicious, healthy oatmeal cookies. Let's show how we make them. For this recipe, we will smash one ripe banana. Pour 4 tablespoons of avocado oil. Add 1/3 of a cup of almond milk. Mix it together. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Cut 6 dry apricots and 5 dates into small cubes. Add them into the bowl and mix it together. Add half a cup of your favorite mix of nuts to a blender, then pulse it 4 times. Add them into the mix. Add 1 cup of oat flour, 1 cup of oats, prepare a baking pan with parchment paper on the top. Make them into small balls, then place them on the pan. Flatten the top using a spoon. Sprinkle lightly on the top with pumpkin seeds. Put them into the oven at 375 degrees for 15 minutes. Our whole house smells amazing. Let them cool and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video and want to see many more recipes just like this one, go ahead and like, comment and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.